The Acoustic Box, a state-of-the-art soundproof galvanized steel enclosure for pool filters and pumps. It's lined with thick quality acoustic foam to ensure maximum noise reduction. The box is certified by an acoustic engineer and is designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. It also features a unique design which can be completely assembled in less than 15 minutes with absolutely no nuts and bolts and no tools, not even a screwdriver. Easier access with a front lift-out door, which when removed offers unhindered access inside the box. The top lid can be completely removed as well as additional side access, allowing for even greater access. A specially designed ventilation gaps without letting in the rain. Locking mechanism and child safety feature. Mechanical gas struts for easy opening and closing. Thick, high-quality powder coat finishing, ensuring easy maintenance and a lifetime structural guarantee. 10 different colours and custom colours on request. Over 70 different sizes with increased internal space in all models. There's also optional treated timber footings cut to size to fit the box.